Guys, I have 7 more minutes before I'm 40, so I'm technically still in my 30s for 7 more minutes. But look, oh, cute. Tapos may
Nitong April 7 ay masayang nagdiwang ng kanyang ika-40th birthday ang aktres na si Casey Concepcion. Mula sa kanyang official Instagram account ay masaya nitong ibinahagi sa publiko ngayong araw April 18 ang mga iilang larawan at videos mula sa kanyang kaarawan. Sa mga larawan at bidyong na ibahagi ay mapapanood ang isang birthday sa lubong na inihanda para sa kanya ng kanyang mga kaibigan kung saan ay sinurpresa siya ng mga ito bago ang kanyang kaarawan. Bago ito ay nagbahagi din si Casey Concepcion ng mga larawan na kasama niya sa kanyang kaarawan ang kanyang mommy Sharon Cuneta kung saan ay makikita na super happy si Sharon na muling makasama at makapiling ang kanyang anak na si Casey lalong-lalo na sa kaarawan nito. Samantala, kalakip naman ang mga larawan na ibinahagi ni Casey Concepcion mula sa kanyang 40th birthday celebration ay narito naman ang kanyang naging buong caption, aniya, birthday sa lubong with the crew started with barefoot tennis to get us ready for our grilled Wagyu plus sushi dinner, then a surprise birthday welcome, complete with karaoke of course in our favorite villa, and a banana bread appearance as my impromptu birthday cake, pretty pastel balloons, and fresh bougainvillea were everywhere. To top it all off, a biglaan golf cart race down the island's private runway because what a start to this new era. No big crowd, just our little island crew. Ushering in the first hour of chapter 40 with so much love and everyone so game for anything. Thank you, Lord. Narito naman ating panuurin ang mga kaganapan sa ika-40th birthday celebration ni Casey Concepcion.
Guys, I have 7 more minutes before I'm 40, so I'm technically still in my 30s for 7 more minutes. But look, oh, cute. Tapos may nagmumuni-muni dito. Ano yung song? Ano yung kanta mo? She was gonna sing Always Remember Us That Way. Diba? Sana yung isilihin. 40! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Naka-floor ka na eh.
Daya!
Eh, sekreto dyan, gaganong-ganong ka. Ayun na, aabutan na.
Let's go, hurry!
Usually he'll be like,
I think this is so cute. Can I post this?
okay, let's see.
Here, babe.
Wow. Thank you.
Like 2 pints.
Can I get more like lemon wedges?
Woo!
Yeah, thanks. You're welcome.
What's
Okay, there's
that
2 pints.
on here? Is this?
Woohoo! Galing. Woo!
Nice.